Alright, so for today, we're gonna try the Anglitin Jumbo Cream Bread. So, quick story. Um, I'm actually searching for something to eat earlier nung nasa Fisher Mall ako. Mall malapit sa amin. And naghahanap ako ng tasty or loaf bread na mura at masarap. Well, usually, we know that we have Gardenia, Pinoy Tasty, if you're into, more affordable one. So, yun nga, Pinoy Tasty. Um, Meron din tayong iba pang mga products like Mond. Yeah, but, well, the usual that we have tried is the Gardenia loaf bread. Now, I also